final result looks like. I really like it. I think it looks super cute, kind of elegant, and kind of The first thing that I'm going to be using is this clear or translucent phone case. I got this from eBay. Yeah, it's flexible and it's just clear. And then I'm going to be using this transparent clear sheets. So I'm just going to mark the shape of my phone case with my pen, going all the way around. I'm going to mark the space where the camera of the cell phone goes. Then I'm just going to cut it, and that's how I'm going to be cutting the hole that I need to actually use this for, like taking pictures and stuff. Once I've done that, I'm just going to be putting this on top of the back of my phone. I'm going to be using some double-sided tape and this lace stripe. You can use any color that you want. I just found around the house this black one, but I'm just going to be putting this on top in there, and I'm working over the tiny piece of transparent sheet that I just cut it. I'm just going to cut and arrange them on top until I am happy with how the whole pattern looks. I'm going to take a bit of that double-sided tape, and I'm going to be cutting this because I don't want the double-sided tape to be showing through the lace, if that makes any sense, even though it's transparent, but you can still see when it's there. So I'm just going to be going to the back of my lace, and I'm just going to tape the whole thing like that. I'm going to be doing the same thing on the top, but it's going to be kind of different because I need to arrange a couple of things here and there. First of all, I'm just going to be cutting off all that part because the pattern that I want is there. And then I'm going to be taking that piece because I need a space where the camera is going to be. And then I'm going to be working on the back of it, and I'm just going to be putting some tape in there. And I'm just going to arrange everything. I'm just going to make sure everything is as straight as I can make it to be. It goes that part on top. So once I have everything as I want it to be, I'm just going to cut the excess of that. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to go all the way around with my scissors. I'm just going to cut off the excess. And then I'm just going to be putting this inside the phone case by going in the back like that, and in goes the phone. And this is what the final result looks like. I really like it. I think it looks super cute, kind of elegant, and kind of different. It was super easy to make. Hopefully you like it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I upload Wednesdays and Saturdays. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later, and take care. Bye guys!